But they're not private companies if, in fact, they're executing government policy. A recent past, in just in September, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals affirmed a trial court injunction against the federal administration for abridging the First Amendment rights of Americans by what? By working with and threatening social media companies, by having them put down or censor essentially information regarding COVID, information regarding Hunter Biden, and other good information about that, information about Ukraine and other political information. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals actually issued an injunction against the President of the United States, against the CDC, against about 4 or 5 other federal agencies, among them the FBI, all of whom were going to these agencies and saying, you know, you shouldn't be publishing, you should be keeping this information away from the American people. And so ultimately, these, if you will, the defense of these very social media platforms has always been that they're private, companies and whatnot. But they're not private companies if, in fact, they're executing government policy. And there's a tremendous amount of evidence that was built into this case that shows the threats to the various social media companies when they do not or would not comply with the approved message of the government. It gives you all the stuff and the interaction of how the FBI and the various government agencies, including the Surgeon General and people from the Office of the President, been working with, or not working with, but actually threatening social media companies to carry the government's message. So they're doing there was 2 things, of course. One is censorship, telling them not to publish something. And the flip side, of course, is there's a flip side to the First Amendment, and that's you can't have compelled speech, right? You can't make somebody say something. And so there was 2 elements of the First Amendment involved in this. One, they were trying to compel folks with threats. And of course, when an FBI agent shows up and flashes his badge, he doesn't even have to say, "I'm threatening you with anything." His badge is the threat, right? And so so this is something that again, it's ongoing, and it's a problem for us.